रेस के मैं आपको परिचित करा दूं। इसी रेस में भाग लेने वाले टीम उत्तर प्रदेश 988 गौरव यादव और उत्तर प्रदेश 666 संतोष।
Good morning. This is the third day of 23rd National Junior Under 20 Federation Athletics Championship 2025. That is organized at Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Stadium. That is situated in the Company Bagh, which is earlier known as an Alfred Park, built in 1870 during the company days. And this ground is spread across 130 acres. And the event is organized by the Uttar Pradesh Athletics Association under the aegis of Athletic Federation of India, and it is governed by the rules of World Athletics. So good morning, I am Dr. Ramnivas Yadav and my co-commentator is Sangeeta Banik. She is coming all the way from the West Bengal, and we have the brilliant last 2 days where Ujjwal Chaudhary has shattered the meet record. Preeti Rathod also created a meet record in high jump with 1.81 meters. 400 meter meet record is also eclipsed. A boy from land of Puri. So hope that the more records will be created on this ground. This is the first time that Prayagraj is hosting the Junior Under 20 Federation Cup. It's a lovely lush green track surrounded by the margosa trees around this 400 meter track. Just a 5,000 meter men's under 20 will be in action, where 25 athletes are vying for excellence and will trying to touch the mark of 14 minutes 16 seconds. 25 athletes ranging from Uttar Pradesh, Kerala. Well, this is the start of 5,000 meter junior men, where Bhiko from Uttar Pradesh, Jubal Andrews from Kerala, Santosh Na from junior camp. The players are coming from Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Haryana, Telangana, Maharashtra, Bihar, Haryana. So, just has taken the early start. 1-8-2. Tanish Kumar from Delhi has settled the pace and taken the charge, and just giving a message to his co-competitors. 8-3-2. Bhiko of Uttar Pradesh has taken over the charge. Now he is the leader of the pack for men's 5,000 meter run. Rahul Kumar Pal has created the meet record in 14 minutes 16. So 5,000 meter, where Ajay Kumar Patel has created the national record with a timing of 13.5765 in 2008. for under 20 men. 832, the Bhikho from Uttar Pradesh is a leader for this race, and he is leading the pack. And 873. Aksh Ganga, he is also from Uttar Pradesh. So a big number from Uttar Pradesh is participating in this race. Bhikho from Uttar Pradesh, Gaurav Yadav from Uttar Pradesh, Aman Kumar, Aksh Ganga, Saurabh Gond, Ram Milan, Gopi Saroj, Indrajit Bharat, Sunil Kumar, Pradeep Pal, Aditya Gujar. So this is a big number representing Uttar Pradesh in 5,000 meter run. 215. Vivek Chand is leading. There is a frequent change in the position. Earlier it was a Bhikho, then Akash Ganga, now Vivek Chand. So there is a frequent change in the leaders. And it's see who can hold there now for 12 and a half lap. It's a true test of endurance. 215. Vivek Chand is the leader representing Gujarat. And local crowd is supporting 853. Indrajit Bharat from Uttar Pradesh trailing at the second spot. Now 134. Rahul Kumar Verma from Chhattisgarh. 215. Vivek Chand of Madhya Pradesh is just way ahead. It's a lead of 5 to 7 meters. So it's a 12 and a half lap race. It's a still, and for leader it's 8 laps to go for Aman Kumar, Rahul Kumar Verma, Vivek Chand, Indrajit Bharat. These are few of the earlier leaders, but 215. Vivek Chand of Vivek Chand, the early leader for men's under 25,000 meter. It's a total 12 and a half lap, and they are into the entering into the last 7 laps. It's a real test of endurance and a matter of the final finishing kick, as we saw yesterday in 1500 meter. Almost 8 athletes were, and here the 215. Vivek Chand, 7 laps to go for Vivek Chand, and set an earlier pace and making a determinant lead, which seems to be difficult to cover later on. And he has shown the character, and he is putting his co-athletes into an acid test, who can sustain and how he can push his co-competitors. And Vivek Chand is looking enormous, almost 5 seconds ahead of 5307. It's a 6 lap to go for Vivek Chand. has settled early pace. Aman Kumar from Haryana. Showing no sign of fatigue. Just getting stronger and stronger by every lap. Vivek Chand from Gujarat. Now we can see that the footprint of long distance is spreading in different states. The champions are coming from Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Two 1-5. Vivek Chand is the current leader, and it's a 5 laps to go for him.
And
It seems that no challenge to him. Looks very intense and running on with a confidence, very composed and accelerating in every lap. When he's coming, it will be a 4 laps to go for him, and the timing is 9 minutes 20 seconds. Let's see the meet record in the name of Rahul Kumar, 14 minutes 16 seconds.
And for Vivek Chand, he is from Gujarat. 4 more laps to go for him in 5,000 meters run for junior men group. And Aman Kumar, Akash Ganga, Aman Kumar from Haryana, Aman Kumar from Uttar Pradesh, Rahul Kumar Verma from Chhattisgarh, and Indrajit Bharat. He is from Uttar Pradesh. These are the leaders in this event for 5,000 meters run junior men group. And the present timing is on the screen is 10 minutes 44 point. And we are on the screen for the event 5,000 meters run for men under 18 in the 23rd National Junior Under 20 Federation Athletics Championship at Madan Mohan Malviya Sports Stadium.
This is Vivek Chand from Gujarat. You can see the gap, and that is an immense and that is an enormous gap. And just looking at his own timing, Vivek Chand from Gujarat is the current leader. Just 3 laps to go for him. 11 past 51 seconds. Vivek Chand, he is looking very confident, and just 2 laps to go for Vivek Chand of Gujarat, and no challenge to him. The gap is just increasing lap by lap, and this is a significant lead. A very intense running by Vivek Chand. No threatening to him from his trailing athletes. Just accelerating in every lap. The gap is opening dramatically and quickly And this would be a majestic running by Vivek Chand. Almost. The national record for 5,000 meters in the name of Ajay Kumar is 13 minutes 57. The current timing is 13 minutes 40 seconds, and here goes the bell lap for 2:15. This is the last lap of 5,000 meter, where Vivek Chand and Rahul Kumar just entering into the home straight. Wonderful finishing kick. Number 134. The ultimate winner just changed his mind in the last 200 meter. 853. Sunil Kumar managed to finish at second, and Vivek Chand of Gujarat finished at third spot. It was the last 200 meter change. It's all the time, entire race has been leader by Vivek Chand, but ultimately it's Rahul Kumar Verma and Indrajit Bharat who came as an ultimate champions.
And that was our first event, 5,000 meters run for men junior group. Now is the time for the 5,000 meters run, men junior, along the track for the another group. And athletes those who will take part, they are 970, Ramratan Singh of Uttar Pradesh, 660, Deepak Vishnoi representing Rajasthan, 517, Harshad Kadam from Maharashtra, Bib number 911, Monu Kumar representing Uttar Pradesh. 220, Vivek Kumar Yadav of Gujarat. 479, Vinod Singh representing Madhya Pradesh. 224, Amipara Raz of Gujarat. 394, Karan JR representing Karnataka. 276, Navratan representing Haryana. 919, Rahul Maurya representing Uttar Pradesh. 518, Swapnil Kochle representing Maharashtra. 592, Pradeep Mahata from Orissa. 994, Sachin Yadav representing Uttar Pradesh, followed by Mukesh Pal. He is from Chhattisgarh. Priyanshu from Bihar. Ankit Indolia from Uttar Pradesh. Manoj Kumar from Maharashtra. 460, Saurabh Pal from Madhya Pradesh. 486, he is Ankit Verma representing Madhya Pradesh. 583, Dharmendra representing Orissa. 195, Surat Singh from Delhi.